Hi, my loves. Welcome back. It's Amber J, your favorite hairstylist, and welcome to the AJay Gang. Mm, mm, mm. On here, we discuss hair tutorials, entrepreneurship, and lifestyle blogs. And today, you guys are going to be looking at my review on Savage Hair Co. and this lovely hair. I got a nice good wear of it so I can give you guys an honest review of how I feel. And if you want to know more, stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so here we are. Don't mind my bonnet. So here's my Savage Hair Co.Hair. Look at this bag. Ooh, I love it. I love it. I love it. This bag is the cutest thing ever. Okay, it's like I'm packing, but like I pack my hair. So you going out somewhere, so you gotta stay at your boo house or something. Pack the wig, baby. Pack the wig. This is cute, and it stays nice and neat. You're gonna worry about waking up and it's just messy. You can hang it up. Boop. I love this. All right, so let's get into the hair. Like I said, it comes in a bag. Well, I got the bundles and the bag came with it. Along with, let me show y'all something. Along with this cute ass hanger. Like, what? Where they do that at? Savage Hair Co. All right, so here's the wig. I made a wig into a 3/4 wig, I guess you can call it, just to mimic the headband wig. Because as a stylist, I just refuse to buy a wig I can make myself. I absolutely refuse. All right, so here it is. You take off the hanger by, you bend it forward, and then this part opens up. Has a nice little, I don't want to call it like a, you know, the other part of the Velcro, like not the hard plastic part, but the soft part. That's what it feels like. All right, and then you close it. I just go like that. So cute. All right, so the wig that I made a flip over wig. And what that is, just means that I sewed the hair along the cap. See all these lines? I sewed the hair along the cap in one direction, right? Real close together. So that when I put it on, it just flips over that way. And you don't see any tracks or anything of that nature. All right, like I said, I made a 3-part wig, so I sewed it on the cap. All right, and then I sewed combs on because I wanted to just be able to stick this in my braid. All right, regular dome cap. I meant to get a mesh one, but this is fine too. All right, and then here's the hair. Isn't she pretty? I gotta give her a name. I didn't give her a name yet, but I've worn it a few times. So, and she still looks good, and she still got body. I forgot how long this was. I think I might have got 18 inches, 20 inches. I was going for a natural look, okay? This is the curl pattern after. I didn't set it. I just wet it and let it sit. And this is how it dried. It don't look ashy. It's not crunchy. It's soft. And, you know, I had to wear it so I can give you guys like a good review. I don't want to say, oh, yes, it's nice because it came out the package. Like, of course it's going to be nice coming out the package. But this is, oh, it's pretty. So I'm going to be installing it for you guys just so you can see how easy it is, what it looks like on me, the color, etc. Yada, yada, yada. I pre-prepped my hair already. I did a video. I did a video on how I actually accomplished this look. So what my braiding pattern is, how I did this in the front, what I used. Okay. So I'm just gonna pop this wig on. Oh, sorry, I get sidetracked. Like I was saying before, I did a video on how I accomplished this look. And if you want the same look and you want to see how I did this to get the look with this wig, make sure you go ahead and click that. You know, my goal is always to get my hair done in a certain amount of time because I'm always so busy and I'm always moving so damn fast. So it's quick, it's easy, I don't want to say anybody can do it, but if you follow along, I mean, I guess it's not really like a hair tutorial. It's you just gonna be watching me do my hair. Hopefully you catch on. I don't know. But anywho, back to the video. So with my wig, all I do is pop it on. I look for where I sewed the flip over part, and then I go boop. And then here's my anchor braid. So I'm gonna just pop, look at that, comb right in there. Comb right in here. And then here's a comb over here. Comb over here. And then a comb in the back. I'll tuck that back piece in there. And of course, you can wear your hair out. I chose to put it to slick it down with a part, but you can push it back and put a cap on and put this on, and it'll be your hair straight back. You can part it like I did on this side or that side. You can leave it out and have it covering the front. You don't need a headband. I mean, there's lots you can do. And then with this hair and this hair texture, it's easily believable that it would be yours, especially with the length. All right, I cut some pieces right here so it gives me like a nice little bang look. Oh, but she is cute. She is adorable. I love this hair, yo. This hair giving me like, is that yours? Yup. But yes, it's cute. All right, let me show you guys how I style this. So I have a few headbands that I normally use. I have this black one. I have no idea where my pink one is right now. And I have a pink scarf. And I have this snakeskin one. So I'm gonna try and give y'all a few options on how y'all can style this hair. Like I said, maybe I need to move it over. I need some water. I'm gonna put some leave-in conditioner or something on it. You know, I just took it out the bag like this and just was like, whoa. What's this doing? I don't know where my flip over is. I think it's over here. Either way. All right, so I guess I could do this one first. This one looks easy. All right, so this was just the band that I had in my Get Ready With Me video. So remember I told you I was going to take it off because I didn't like that bump in the middle. I took it off and then just sewed some Velcro on the ends. Because I just couldn't stop looking at it. It was bothering me. All right, and then I just put that thing on with the Velcro. And boom. I didn't even do nothing, y'all. That shit already look good. Ooh. This hair is so nice. All right, I'm gonna just stop touching my hair so y'all can just see. Panorama. And when you wet it, she's nice. She lays. You can put some mousse on it, and it'll give you that nice wet look that you're looking for, like a water wave kind of look. Like, look at me, stepped out the water. All right, so that's what she looks like up close. You see? All right, let me do the next one. I'm gonna do the thicker headband, you know, when it's, I say, frio outside. I gotta stop moving my shoulders. Look like I'm about to do somebody chicken or something. All right, here's this one. Let me go to work. Let me get on my computer. Looking cute. All right, for all my people up north, tri-state, where you at? I know it's cold as a bug up there. Okay, cover your ears, baby. Cover your ears, and still look cute. Ow. All right, so let's do. What other one I have? I definitely have. Oh, for real. My little headscarf thing I use for my edges. Fold it, ho. Fold it. And I can definitely use this as a headband. Why not? I wish I had my pink one though. Cute. Real cute. All right. Just scoot that back a little bit. Oh yeah, that's it. Can't nobody tell me nothing. Don't mind this piece right here. I ain't brush it till it came out the bag. It still look good though. Okay, let me stop playing. All right, and then I'm gonna do. I got one more. Where'd it go? Am I tripping? I was looking for this one. My pirate scarf. All right, so it looks like this. A scarf I got from the hair store. It was like $2. So normally what I like to do is I'll roll it like this. And then I'll just twist it up like that. You know how back in the day used to go like that. Let me stop. I play too much. That's the whole damn thing. Right, I'm gonna just do like this, and then again I'm gonna twist it. All right, and then I'm gonna just put it on. With this, whatever is sticking out, I just tuck it underneath. Tuck it this way. There we go. I'm gonna just tie this bad boy. I like my hair tight. Okay. Y'all can't tell me that is not cute. If you tell me, I don't believe you, because I know this cute. Ooh. Ooh. Check me out. Ooh. Oh, this is cute. Black, who are you? Savage. Oh, Philip, I need to go somewhere. Where am I gonna go? It's raining. Quarantine. Somebody need to see me. I'm about to be blowing everybody's phone up. Like, what's up? Nothing. I just want you to see my hair. Cause I'm a savage. Ugh. I ain't even put on jewelry yet. I ain't even do it. Whole thing is a look, okay? I like this color, gold and pink. Gold, really. Oh, that's cute. Yes, y'all. I mean, I don't even know what to tell y'all. This is just, the hair is really like this. Like, this ain't for play. This ain't for funny. This ain't for jokey joke. Like, this hair is really like this. Y'all better make sure y'all go cop y'all some. Get y'all some savage hair color. Go be a savage. All right, it's 2021. Can't nobody tell you nothing. Yes, and let it travel. It could travel with you. Anybody going to the islands or something? Because we can't go nowhere else. Take the hair with you, honey. Get you some straight hair, get you some curly hair from Savage, and pick which one you want to do. Because that was easy and it was cute. I just can't stop looking at myself, y'all. I'm sorry. I love this hair. Ah! But yes, I don't know, y'all. Just go ahead. Just go. Go ahead and get you some Savage Hair Co.Hair because this hair is just. Look at that. Go get you some Savage Hair Co.Hair. I will link them down below. I'm gonna see if I can go find what I ordered so y'all can see or know exactly what texture this is and the lengths and how many bundles I used. So if you want this look, I got you, girl. Get it. All right. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Get you some. If there's anything that you guys want me to review, any other hair you want me to review, any other style you want me to make the hair out of, let me know. I'm down because I'm here for y'all. I'm here for y'all. All right. But again, just click that like button, click that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.